Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am explaining you regarding the range function of an Python programming language. Here, I have shown the examples of using the range function in interactive mode as well as in script mode. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link with your friends and family members. Share the video links in various social networks which we are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Range function is a built-in function in Python programming language. The syntax of a range function is range within the parenthesis start, comma stop, comma step. So here you can observe the start and step has been written inside the square bracket. That means these are optional. They can be omitted, but the stop value has to be written. Why we use this range function? The range function is used to create a list containing a sequence of integers from the given start value. That means what the start value you mention, from that it will be creating a list of sequence of integers up to stop value, but excluding stop value. And what should be the difference, and that is given by the step value. To begin with, simply consider a range is a function that takes parameters to work on. Here, the function range, as I told, it is consisting of parameters. What are those parameters? Start, stop, step. The start and the step parameters are optional. As I have told, these have been written in square brackets, which are written in square brackets are optional. If the start value is not specified by default, then what happens? The list will start from 0. If the step is not specified, then the default value increases by 1 in each iteration. The step parameter can be a positive number, can be a negative number, but not 0. All parameters of the range function must be an integers. Now we shall see how the list of integer numbers will be created by using a range function in script mode as well as in interactive mode. So first I will open the Python interpreter. In this one I am just demonstrating the use of an range function in an interactive mode as well as in a script mode of an Python programming language. So first I will write list within a bracket, a range within a bracket 10, close the bracket and close the bracket. So now here I have not mentioned the start value and have not mentioned the step value. That means it will be starting from 0 and it will be incremented by 1 up to 10, but 10 is not included. That means it will be displaying the numbers from 0 to 9. So when I press enter key, you can observe that one. So it is displaying the numbers from 0 to 9. Then similarly I will write list within a bracket, a range within a bracket 20, close the bracket and close the bracket. So now you can say what will be the output. It will be from 0 to 19, but 20 is not included. So it's an output. So if I write list within a bracket 3, comma 10, that is a list within a bracket range. After that open the bracket 3, comma 10, close the bracket and then close the bracket. So it means the starting value is 3 and up to 10 but not including 10, and ending step value are not mentioned. That means it will be by default 1. So it means it will be displaying a numbers from 3 to 9. When I press enter, you can observe that one. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, if I write list within a bracket, range within a bracket 3, comma 20, close the bracket and close the bracket. So it will be displaying the numbers from 3 to 19 in step of 1. So if I write list open bracket, range, open bracket. So here if I write starting value as 3, comma 10, comma, and the ending value, that is a step value if I write as 2, that means each of the value will be having a difference of 2. That means it will be displaying 3, 5, 7 and then 9. So 3, 5, 7, 9. If I write list within a bracket, range within a bracket, for example if I write 3, comma 20, comma 2, close the bracket and close the bracket. So it will be, the starting value will be 3, and each of the numbers after that it will be just a step of 2. That means 3, 5, 7, 9. Up to that it will be displaying up to 19. Okay, so if I write list, open the bracket, range, open the bracket, starting value as 5, comma 20, comma step value as 5, close the bracket and close the bracket. So here it will be 5, 10, 15, 20, but 20 is not included. That means it will be displaying only 3 numbers, 5, 10, 15. If I write list within a bracket, range within a bracket, 5, comma 30, comma 6, close the bracket and close the bracket. So starting from 5, a step increment of 6. So 5, 11, 17, 23, 29. Like this, it displays the list of integer values when we use the range function. Now, I will demonstrate this one by using an script mode. So first I will copy all these things. Okay, then I will create a new file by using a shortcut key, Ctrl N. So this is an script mode. Right, there is a new file. So here I'll just save which I have copied. So just the numbers, that is the output which has been displayed, so that I will delete. Okay, because these outputs we need to get when we run this particular program. So just I am deleting those things. Right. Okay, and this one as well as this one as well as this one. So now first I will write here and comment hash Python program to illustrate range function. Python program to illustrate range function. So first I will write this one as list1 space equal to list of range that, then after that print within a bracket list1. Similarly we'll write for all the list which I have written in an interactive mode. So here it should be print within a bracket list2. Then here as list3 space equal to space, then here print it should be list3. You'll get the same output, just you can check when I run the program. List4 space equal to, right, so list, where is here, it is list4 space equal to space list range of 3, 20. Then here it should be print within a bracket list4. The next list 5 space equal to space that function, then print within a bracket list5, close that one. The next one list 6 space equal to space list range of 3, 20, 2. then print the output of that one, that is list 6. The next one, similarly, first you need to write list 7 space equal to list range of 5 comma 20 comma 5. So here print list 7. Okay, then last one can take either list 8 or you can use list 1 also, because which is already printed. So again it will be change the values, that's it. Okay, so print here list 1. So now you can observe the first one which I have written here, list 1. So it will be creating the first output, that is what, this one, 0 to 9. So that will be stored in list 1 and then it will be displayed. Then second one here, it will be displaying 0 to 19, and this one it will be 3 to 9 and that is stored in list 3 and that will be displayed. And this is from 3 to 19 and that is in list 4. This is from 3 to 10, not including 10, with an increment of 2. That means this one, 3, 5, 7, 9. The next one is this one, which is that this one, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 up to 19. So just I will save this program by pressing Ctrl S. I will save this one as demo range. Press enter. This will be saved. To run, press F5 and you can observe the output in an interactive mode. So see the output. So this one, this is the first one, right? So this is the first one, and the second one, list of 0 to 20, this one. So that is what, this one. The next third one is 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is list range of 3 comma 10, this one. And next one is this one, list 3 comma 20, that is 3 to 19 with a difference of 1. So that is this output. And 3, 5, 7, 9, that is what, this output, that is list of 3 comma 10 comma 2. The next one, list range of 3 comma 20 comma 2, that one. Okay, and then this one, list range of 5 comma 20 comma 5, that is 5, 10, 15. And this one, list range of 5 comma 30 comma 6, that is a 5, 11, 17, 23, 29 is this one, right? So even I have told that we can also use a negative number. I will write that one, list 1 space equal to list open bracket range open bracket starting value I will give as -10 comma, and the stop value I will give as 10 comma, increment value as 2, close the bracket, right? So I will save this one. Again I will run. Okay, or else I will delete all these things because it will be an more output. Instead of that, just I want to display only the one output to illustrate this one. So print list 1. So I will save again. Now I will run. So here you can see 10 minus 8 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 0 2 4 6 8, that is starting value is -10, ending value is 10 but not including 10 before that, and the difference is 2. So it is -10 plus 2 -8 plus 2 -6 plus 2 is -4, the next -2 0 2 4 6 8 9. Okay, the same thing if you write like this, list 2 space equal to space list within a bracket range within a bracket, if you write 20 comma 10 comma -2, okay, then print within a bracket list 2. Just you can observe the difference here when I press F5, the output. So 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. How you have got this one? Because starting is 20 and ending is 10. And what is the difference? -2. So starting is 20 difference is minus 2, that is 18, then again minus 2, 16, then again minus 2, 14, again minus 2, 12, again minus 2, 10, but it has came to an end, it is an stop, so therefore that is not included, right? So this is with respect to an script mode. So similarly this can also be done in an interactive mode by writing list within a bracket range within a bracket 20 comma 10 comma minus 2, close the bracket, press enter. Okay, so I have not closed another bracket, so close that one, press enter. So I'll write another time list within a bracket range within a bracket 20 comma 10 comma minus 2, close the bracket, again close the bracket, press enter. Okay, so if I write list open bracket 20 comma 5, that is the starting value is 20, ending value is 5 comma with a difference of minus 4. Okay, so this list within what? You need to write within a bracket range and then within a bracket that one, close the bracket, again close the bracket. So now what will be the output? 20, then step value is minus 4, that means 20 minus 4, 16, then again minus 4 step value, so 16 minus 4 it will be 12, then after that minus 4 again minus 8, after that yes plus 8, after that it will be 4, so that 4 is and the value. Okay, so you can see that 4 is not included because it is after 5, so it will stop up to 5. Okay, 20, 16, 12, 8, because the starting value is 20 and ending value is 5, so after 5 it will not going to display because it is decremented. Okay, so like this you can use the range function. In details you will be learning about the range function and more you will be using in a for loop. So just remember how to use an range function and the various parameters, that is start, stop and then step. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.